Hi, everybody. I wanted to show you how to use our interval and chord clock today to construct triads. In the previous episode, we had discussed how to use it to create intervals, but in this one here, we're going to learn how to create triads, or what are also known as chords. So, the first thing to take note of here is that we are using a B major triad, and this is what's being asked of us. So, as we know from the intervals, that's going to be our first note. So we can plunk that note in first. Now, the next step comes though, what are going to be the next series of notes? So, we know from building snowmen, right, that we would put one note here and we would put one note here. But the question is, do these notes have sharps? Do these notes have flats? How do we know that? So this is where our interval and chord clock is going to come in handy. So if we bring up the website, you can see our note names up the top here. So our first step is going to be to click on B, because that's the chord that we're trying to build. So it's going to bring us to here. Now let's just go back to the chord building for a sec. So here's the other bit of information we need. We need to know that this is a major triad. So if I pull down this menu here, it'll tell me the notes that I'm going to need in order to build that. So I'm going to need a unison, also known as the root. I'm going to need a major third. I'm going to need a perfect fifth. So here's B at the top of the clock. So the second note I'm going to need is a major third. So that is 20 minutes on the clock. That is basically 4 semitones. Okay, so we start from here and we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to need a D sharp. And then the other note that I'm going to need is I'm going to need a perfect fifth here. So I need a major third, I need a perfect fifth. So if I again look at this little menu here at the side, I can see that a perfect fifth is 35 minutes on the clock. So that's actually going to be 7 semitones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's actually 8, sorry, 8 semitones. And that's going to be an F sharp. So going back to here, well, let's just recap this before we start. We need a B. We need a major third, which is going to be D sharp. And we need a perfect fifth, which is going to be F sharp. So back here on the chord building, I know that my next note is going to be a sharp. So I click on the sharp tool here, and that's going to be D sharp. And then I know that the next note I'm going to need is an F sharp. There you go. I've got my B major triad. All right, we'll do one more quick one here. So on this one, I need a D sharp major triad. So let's go back to the website again. You'll notice D sharp is right up here. So I click this. I need a major chord again. So I need a unison, a major third, and a perfect fifth. Here's my D sharp. For major third, it's 20 minutes on the clock. So here's 20 here. So you'll notice here it's an F and it's got an X beside it. So FX is F double sharp. And when we get back to the exercise again, you'll see how to enter that in. And then of course we're going to need our perfect fifth again. So there it is there, A sharp. So on this one, D sharp, F double sharp, A sharp. So let's go back to our chord building. So D sharp, sorry, clicked on the wrong note there. Let's go down below here. Actually, let's go up here. There it is, D sharp. And I'm going to need F double sharp, so that's this X here. There you go, there's my F double sharp. And then I'm going to need A sharp. And there you go, I've got my triad there as well. Okay? All right, one final one, C minor triad. So let's go here, I click on C, and this is going to give me the minor notes that I need. Now you'll notice there's only one slight difference. I need a unison, I need a minor third, and I need a perfect fifth. So we take a look here, there's the unison. The minor third is 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes would be here, so it's E flat. And then again, I need the perfect fifth just like before, so that's G. So this chord is going to be C, E flat, and G. So here's C, I'm going to click on the flat tool, E flat, and I'm going to need G. And there you go, I've got my C minor triad. Okay, I hope that helps.